Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create a logo for your food business in Canva. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Canva account. If you don't have one, just navigate to canva.com and create a free account. Well, to create a free food logo for your business, navigate into the Canva dashboard. Navigate to the search area and type in food logo. I'll punch on enter and Canva will showcase all the available templates that I can use for my design. Let's say for instance this is the design I like. I'll click on it and from the flyout menu, I'll select customize this template. Canva will then open the template on design mode. Here in design mode, you have the freedom to customize this design to fit how you feel. If you think that this was the wrong design you chose in the beginning, you also have the design section that gives you all other designs that you can choose from in your development. In this case, I'll just stick to the one that we have already imported here. Notice that every element is segmented individually, and it means that I can remove or return them back and design them to the way I feel. In this case, I have the text elements and I also have the art elements. To change the text elements, for example, the work kitchen down here, I'll just double click and this being a text allows me all the manipulations that come in with the text, including making the text a little bit bigger, changing the text color using the text option here, changing the text font style using the text font style option at the top here, making it bold, etc. etc. Notice that I also have the ability to move this text from one location to the other, depending on where I want that text to be. I can also change the elements that are in within by just clicking on them and looking at the colors that are embedded within. If I don't like this red, I'll just select that option and navigate into the red option and change that color to a different color of my choice, maybe green. And you notice now my color has turned to green instead of red. I can manipulate and move these elements to any direction that I'll prefer until I get a design of my choice. Just to note, it is also very possible to import other elements to incorporate within my logo. This can be done directly from the upload section. If I have an art that I would like to implement, then navigating to upload and importing it from either Dropbox, Google Drive or Box, or if you have already uploaded it in here, it's time to drag and drop it into your design. Notice that I can also write text of my choice by navigating on the text option, clicking on the text design of my choice, for example this, and that pops up into my design. Isn't this cool? There we go. I can also reduce the size or even make it at the top there and change the text to suit exactly how I prefer this to look like. Once you're done with your design, the next thing you want to do is to click on the share option, export your design to any format of your choice, either for printing or uploading into your website. And there you have it, folks. That is how we design a food logo for a business using Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.